Welcome to PJ and Daddy's Kitchen Experiments. Experiment number 2, how to make glowing water. PJ, why don't you tell us what we're going to need for this experiment?
We're going to need a clear glass bowl highlighter, box cutter, pointy nose pliers, clear plastic bottle, tonic water, and black light.
Excellent, thank you. Alright, to make glowing water, you can get 3 or 4 non-toxic highlighters and have a responsible adult help you open them to expose the material that contains the ink inside. I prefer the Sharpie brand because you don't have to cut those open. What you can do is use a pair of pointy nose pliers and pull out the plug in the end. It makes it really easy, exposing the material inside. Now usually this is going to be a plastic coated fiber-like material. To get to the ink that we're going to need for the project, you'll need to carefully cut this open, exposing the material inside that holds the ink. We'll put this in the bowl. Now, although this is non-toxic, it's probably best to go ahead and just use some protective gloves. When we take our tonic water, and to see how much exactly we're going to need, we use our bottle, which is going to be our end product. We'll fill it up. That's exactly how much we need. And then we dump it in the bowl. Now you can either let this soak and let it come out over time, or you can wring it out. You'll have to wash your hands real good when you're done. Let's just go ahead and let this soak for a bit. Okay, we'll let that soak for a little while. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze this so we get all the ink out of that fibrous material. Okay. Good. There we go. Okay, now we want to get our glowing water into this little bottle. So what I do is, it's a one-time use thing, but I take a 3x5 card, I make a little improvised funnel. All right, hold it still, buddy. And we're going to dump all of our glowing water material into the bottle. Okay, here's the last little bit going in. Good. Alright, we've got it in the bottle. Our scientific looking bottle. We'll put the top on. Now, we've got our glowing water. Let's go ahead and try it out with the black light. You ready? Here we go.
Okay. Poor boy.
Okay, we've got our glowing water. Doesn't seem to be glowing yet. PJ, we know what to do. Alright, we're going to set the water down here. PJ's going to turn the black light on, and I'm going to turn the regular light off. Get your finger on the black light switch. You ready? Turn it on. Wow, look at that glow. PJ, why does that water glow?
Because it's fluorescent particles.
That's right. In this experiment, the fluorescent particles in the ink, in the highlighter ink, are absorbing the non-visible but the ultraviolet light, and then releasing it back in a visible light. Look at our hands, we've got some on there. Now, we've got 3 examples here now. You see this has got kind of bubbles in it, but that is the highlighter ink and the tonic water. Now here is just pure tonic water. See how it glows too? Because the quinine in the tonic water has fluorescent particles in it as well. Now this one's edible, pure tonic water. This one, although non-toxic, is not edible. So you can make drinks out of this, but don't make drinks out of this. Okay? Alright, this is why you should wear gloves when you do this experiment, so your fingers won't look like they're radioactive. What do you think, PJ? You like it, don't you?
I like it.
Okay, for all you Star Trek fans, we have a way you can make your own dilithium crystals. What we did was we took our glowing water, and Tasha had a great idea. We put it in a muffin pan. Watch this. We turn the light out, turn the black light on. We have created dilithium crystals. You can power your starship to the next generation. Fuel your starship into the next generation. Good.
You cannot drink highlighter ink.
You can drink tonic water. So keep that in mind. Now if you're going to have a really cool Star Trek, Star Wars sci-fi party, you can use the tonic water, which is edible, and make some really cool glowing radioactive drinks. There you go. Thanks for watching PJ and Daddy's Kitchen Experiments, Experiment 2, Glowing Water.
To infinity and beyond.